Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best PS5 Paddles is probably one of the most transformative accessories you can add to your gaming setup, instantly elevating your competitive edge by placing crucial in-game actions right at your fingertips, allowing for lightning-fast reactions and superior control without ever taking your thumbs off the analog sticks, fundamentally changing how you interact with your favorite titles and giving you that undeniable advantage in every match. Number 5. KontrolFreek PS5 Performance Grips Nightfall Black. These advanced controller grips use a unique 3-layer material combination. They are designed to give you better grip, support, and comfort during your gaming sessions. Applying them is incredibly easy. You can also reposition and remove them without any risk of damaging your controller. The top layer is specially designed to wick away moisture. This maximizes your grip and optimizes airflow, keeping your hands cool and dry. A foam cushioning layer provides a feel similar to dense memory foam. It conforms to your palm, offering superior support and comfort, especially during intense gaming. While this one is Nightfall Black, they are also available in Inferno Red and Galaxy Purple. Choose the color that best suits your style. These grips are specifically designed for your PlayStation 5 controller. Enhance your gaming experience today. What we like. These grips offer superior comfort and an enhanced non-slip surface for your PS5 controller. They are designed to keep your hands dry and provide a soft, conforming feel during intense gaming. If you are looking for an affordable and easy way to significantly upgrade your controller's feel and grip, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to get helpful points for buying PS5 Paddles. Number 4. eXtremeRate Rise 2.0 Remap Kit for PS5 BDM 010 BDM 020. Transform your existing PS5 controller into a professional eSport elite device. This kit provides the ultimate upgrade for serious gamers. It adds 2 ergonomic, programmable back buttons to your controller. These allow for quicker reactions and improved gameplay. The rubberized grips enhance your hand feeling and provide a much better hold. This ensures comfort and stability during intense gaming sessions. You can assign up to 15 different buttons to the new back buttons. This offers unparalleled customization to suit your unique playstyle. This kit is designed for PS5 controller BDM 010 and BDM 020 models only. High hands-on skills are required for installation, and a video guide is available online. It is also compatible with other eXtremeRate PS5 controller accessories like LED kits and clicky trigger kits. Please note, the controller itself is not included. What we like. This kit transforms your standard PS5 controller into an elite eSport device with programmable back buttons. Its rubberized grips provide superior handling, giving you a competitive edge. If you are a tech-savvy gamer who enjoys customization and wants a professional-grade controller, this DIY solution is perfect. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 3. Collective Mind Strike Pack FPS Dominator for PS4. It comes with the FPS Dominator module, 2 remappable paddles, a 10-foot USB cable, and a QR guide. This plug-and-play design attaches instantly without any app, and optional software offers advanced customization. This device works seamlessly with standard PS4 DualShock 4 controllers. Please note, it is not compatible with PS5. For audio, 3.5mm headsets are supported on CUH ZCT-2U models, while older CUH ZCT-1U models require a USB headset. It includes powerful mods like anti-recoil, rapid fire, quick scope, and more. You can activate these instantly or map them to the paddles for faster execution and enhanced gameplay in your favorite titles. Assign any controller input to either paddle instantly, without needing apps or a PC. This allows you to keep your thumbs on the sticks for quicker reactions, improved accuracy, and a competitive edge. Its precision fit and responsive switches ensure fast inputs and reduced fatigue. The detachable magnetic paddles can be customized for different hand sizes, providing comfort and control during long gaming sessions. What we like. This wired attachment instantly adds 2 remappable paddles and powerful built-in mods to your PS4 controller. It offers on-the-fly mapping and a lag-free experience, boosting your gameplay without complex installations. If you own a PS4 and want an immediate competitive advantage with extra functionality, this plug-and-play device is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 2. DualShock 4 Wireless Controller for PS4. Experience unparalleled control with this controller. Its enhanced analog sticks and trigger buttons provide absolute precision for every game on your PlayStation 4. Sharing your greatest gaming achievements is now effortless. A dedicated button lets you upload videos, screenshots, or live stream your gameplay instantly, without interrupting your session. Discover exciting new interactions with revolutionary features. Its touchpad, integrated light bar, and built-in speaker immerse you deeper into your games. For private listening, a convenient 3.5mm audio jack is included. This allows you to enjoy your game audio without disturbing others. Recharging is simple and efficient. You can plug it directly into your PlayStation 4 system, even on standby, or use any standard micro-USB charger. What we like. This controller offers the iconic precision control and comfortable design that PS4 gamers love. It features the innovative share button, touchpad, and integrated speaker for immersive gameplay. If you need a reliable replacement or a secondary controller for your PS4, this renewed option provides excellent value and original functionality. What people say. Number 1. Sony DualShock 4 back button attachment. Elevate your gaming experience with this innovative attachment. It's designed to give you a competitive edge and more control during intense gameplay sessions. This device features 2 rear buttons that can be mapped to any digital button on your controller. Gain quick access to essential commands without moving your thumbs from the sticks. A dedicated button allows for on-the-fly remapping of the back buttons. This makes customization effortless, letting you adapt to any game situation instantly. It includes a clear digital screen that displays the currently assigned button configurations. You'll always know your setup at a glance, ensuring precision and confidence. With the ability to save and choose from different presets, you can quickly switch between configurations. This feature ensures you're always ready for any game or play style. This attachment also offers a convenient headset pass-through. You can connect any 3.5mm wired headset directly to it, keeping your audio setup simple and streamlined. What we like. This official attachment adds 2 highly responsive, remappable back buttons to your existing PS4 controller. It features a dedicated screen for easy on-the-fly mapping and the ability to save multiple button presets. If you want to enhance your PS4 gameplay with an official, easy-to-use back button solution, this accessory is a fantastic upgrade. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.